The camera can't see a thing. We're just like on the road. I'm not even hungry right now. Yes. Just came back from McDonald's, guys. And I got some yummy chicken nuggets. 6 pieces of chicken nuggets. So good. I'm sorry, and my tooth is about to fall out, so just in one of my future videos, I'm sorry if I say my tooth fell out. I'm sorry about that. So I'm sorry for you guys on the road. So guys, I'll update you. Yeah, but I'll tell you when